Welcome back. Rotimi Fakaijo, an equities trader and the CEO of Enterprise Stockbrokers, joins me now to take a look at where the market is. The Nigerian Stock Exchange is already set in continuous trade, the first official trading day for the month of January and the year 2017. Good morning to you, Rotimi.
Good morning, Harriet.
It's great to have you join me on the program. So, is the market in a Happy New Year mood? I spoke to Temple earlier on the show, and he said that we've got some brokers already on the trading floor.
Oh, yeah, it's a new week, it's a new year, and optimism is high. But for the trading trend in the market right now, very few brokers are still around, have yet resumed. And the market is trending at 0.24% negative. For such a situation like this, it is quite expected. We don't expect a bullish session to start the year. And looking at what happened in the last week of the year, with the market just managing to gain positively for the last week, I think what we're seeing right now is quite what it is expected.
But just give us a sense of which particular stocks are actually shaping the market. Also, based on the fact that most investors are looking to full year 2016, which should be coming in this month, how do you think that will largely shape their position as they resume this first week of trade in 2017?
Well, the expectation is there for the auditor reports. We will be having some coming in maybe first or second week of February, and those are the early birds. That definitely, with the expectation of that, with what we've seen for the banking sector stocks, at least there's going to be a lot of prospective trading in that particular direction. But for other sectors, it may really not be as expected. But for those stocks in the market this morning, we're having 40 Oil PLC having lost about 9%. Then also Zenith Bank having lost about 3%. But we are not having any suspended dinner for now. Likewise, we have Access Bank in the
We seem to have lost connection there with Rotimi Fakaijo, equities trader at the Nigerian Stock Exchange and the CEO of Enterprise Stockbrokers. He was giving us a sense of where the market is this morning. It's the first official day of trade for 2017, I beg your pardon, and for the month of January. And the markets resumed kind of bearish already, profit taking on some of the market heavyweights, market blue chip, including 40 Oil. That's down about 9%. Zenith Bank is also off about 3%. And, well, basically, on the way the market is shaping up, he's not expecting the market to finish in positive territory at the end of trade today. But the last 3 days of trade for 2016 was enough to bolster the gain recorded for the year, and we saw that coming in at 26,874.62. So fingers crossed on how the markets will be finishing off today, but most likely it will be finishing in bearish territory as investors already booking off profit on some of the key heavyweights listed on the market. But that's it on today's edition of Business Morning. Many thanks for spending time with us. Of course, you remember that you can reach us on any of our social media platforms to continue the conversation on Twitter or via email. That's at businessmorning@channelstv.com. I'm Harriet Agbenyi. Have a good day.